Hey guys, you know I love my Aperol Spritz. I've shared that recipe with you. I am all about a fun summer cocktail. So this recipe that I'm gonna share with you, super refreshing. It's not too sweet, it's not too bitter, it's perfect. And it's great for a fun weekend afternoon, a brunch, or once you get the kids down. That's what we're doing. We're gonna make it right now. Let's do this. So right now I have some watermelon and strawberries that they're not super fresh anymore. They're still really good, but they're kind of like right now I have to figure out, am I gonna freeze them? Am I gonna juice them? Am I gonna use them in a smoothie? So besides just sharing recipes with you guys with prepped ahead food to help you get homemade meals on the table quicker, I also wanna share some cool tips and tricks of what do you do when you have watermelon that's maybe a few days old and it's been in your fridge and you want to figure out what to do with it, but it's not ready to throw out yet, or strawberries that aren't like super fresh. These are some cool tricks you can do. And one thing is you turn them into a cocktail. Let's start with this. Okay, so here we have our watermelon juice that we just made. We have our strawberry puree that we made. This is some simple syrup that I had in my fridge. I've shown you guys this with when I make my coffee moonshine, my homemade cold brew. But you guys, simple syrup is so easy to make. It lasts so long in the fridge and you can use it in a bunch of different things. So now I'm gonna use it. I use it in my coffee, but I'm also gonna use it in this cocktail. And then these are our watermelon ice cubes. That's exciting. And here's the other thing. I'm gonna use these for this spritz, but my kids love these. And also my kids will just, if I don't use all this, I'll just give them, you know, the rest of it in a little sippy cup for them. They love eating this. I'll put this on top of yogurt, this strawberry puree. It's so yummy. I'm all about stuff that's versatile, as you guys know. So then I also have lime, and then we have our Prosecco. So let's build our cocktail. It's so easy. First thing we're gonna do is add in our ice cubes. The reason why I love these watermelon ice cubes is because as they melt, it's not like a regular ice cube that will water down your drink. So if you have these beautiful watermelon ice cubes, it will keep your spritz cold as well as it melts, it just keeps adding flavor. And look at how beautiful that is. Oh, that's so pretty. And then these are our sliced strawberries that we made. Okay, great. Next, we are going to squeeze one wedge of a lime in the bottom. I always love a little bit of citrus, and lime is perfect with this. We're gonna add 1 ounce of watermelon juice. We're gonna add 1 ounce of our strawberry puree. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Just dump that all in there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a tiny little dash of our simple syrup. I don't like my stuff too sweet, so I really don't add that much. There's also some sugar that's in the strawberry puree. And now we are going to do our Prosecco. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Okay, now let's get a slice of lime. You guys, look at how gorgeous this is. So now what we're gonna do is for presentation, We're gonna give it a little stir just so we make sure everything's stirred and beautiful in there. And now we're gonna add some of our fresh strawberry. Oh my goodness, this is like summer in a glass. And look, whoa! Oh my gosh, that's so good. You guys, this is so good. Yay, let me know what you think. Cheers. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one. And I'll see you guys soon.